Hello guys, and welcome back to Almost Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Valorant lag, so just better overall performance and everything. So the first thing you guys can do is just simply head over to settings. Once you're in settings, just go to network and internet. From network and internet, go to advanced network settings. Scroll until you see network reset, and then what you're going to do is just click on reset now. It's going to say something about 5 minutes how it will shut down your PC, but all you just have to do is simply restart your PC. And then once you do that, and then you open your PC back up, you can open up Valorant, and hopefully the lag should be gone. However, if that did not help, the second method you guys can do is go to Valorant, and what you can do is click on you're going to click on properties. What you're going to do is go to compatibility. You're going to uncheck this, run this program as an administrator. You're going to click apply, and then you're going to click OK. And then you can also click on run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Once you do that, just click apply and then click OK, and then restart or reopen Valorant. And then once you do that, hopefully the lag should be gone. And then the third method you guys can do is click on run as administrator every time before opening up Riot Client or Valorant, and this should also help the lag. And the fourth and final method, what you guys can do is, for example, if you have a VPN on and you didn't know about this, so for example, if you live in the USA and you have a VPN connected to Japan or the Netherlands, for example, that can also, that is probably the reason why you're having such high ping or like high lag. So all you're gonna do is just simply either delete the VPN or you're just gonna disconnect from the VPN. And yeah, that should definitely fix the lag or any high ping issues. And yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helped. Subscribe to the channel and have a great day.